Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, the rumpled one. Trading Holo, the highest open, lowest open. I created a multimeter, the TRO multimeter Holo, and it will tell you or show you which time periods price is in a Holo zone. So we'll bring up the chart. This is the Holo indicator right here, and you can use a shift on it, but we don't need to. We can just leave the defaults. What the indicator is telling us right now is that on the M30 chart period, there's a Holo trade. On the H1, there's a Holo trade. In other words, here's the lowest open for the dollar Canadian. Price is below it. So there's a possible Holo trade. Now, if you combine this with the new daily high indicator, you can see on H1 it's telling you not to trade. But on M30, it's telling you there's a trade right there. You can see it. There's a Holo trade because it's in the low zone. So this is telling you it's in the low zone. So when that hits gray, then you know it's out of the Holo zone. So right now, it's in the Holo zone, and it's telling you now it's out. So if you would have taken that trade right there, you'd be in profit. So I hope that shows those doubters that say, I'm only posting videos and charts in hindsight. No, no, that was a real time. Right there, you saw it with your own eyes. So once again, though, if you were trading the H1 Holo, you'd have to wait. But if you were trading the M30, you got in the trade. I know Pippi the Great likes to use the M30. So Pippi, I hope you got some pips there. So we can take a look at some of the other ones. Holo zone right there. And it's telling you here, don't even think about trading because it just made a new daily low on all those chart periods straight across the board. Australian dollar, no trade. Holo zone on H4. That's a strong zone, very strong zone, because you could see when you get, if you trade H4, there's a lot of range. You're talking 4 hours. But you can see here, it's above the line, but it's way above the line, so that's not even one to consider. The euro yen only on the H4. You can see here on H1, it's already going up and back. So you have to sit on your hands and wait for it to come back down. Nothing on the euro, the pound franc H4, pound yen, pound dollar. Okay, you can see here we've got Holo trades. That's the H1 candle. Just went to green that quick. And it's right at yesterday's low. New Zealand dollar, no trades. Canadian dollar, we're looking at H1 once again. You can also see here in my candle color multimeter, it's got the magenta highlight, which indicates what time frame the chart is on. So we're on the H1. This would be the trigger point. If you're doing M30, you would have already been in the trade. I think that's why Pippi likes this. gets a jump on the H1s. And the dollar franc, nothing. Dollar yen H4 once again. So let's see, dollar Canadian, and what was the other one? The euro yen. No. Back to dollar Canadian. So that's the Holo multimeter. Tells you when the trade is. Now some of you might be saying the colors are switched. You want to buy when it's down here, and that's correct, but this is telling me that it's below. It's below the line. And just like the green tells me it's above the line. Okay? So that's the reason for that. So here, H1, it's red because it's below the line. But the indicator colors can be switched. So if you want to switch them, you just come over here and the weight high and the weight low colors. So I'm waiting down here in the low zone. That's why it's red. So fellow traders, I hope that helped. And as always, it's not what you trade, it is how you trade it. The Rumpled One signing off.